Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you how to make a delicious pumpkin roll cake. Let me tell you that this cake is going to be the easiest and most delicious cake you will ever make. So if you're ready, let's get started. Okay, so we're going to begin by preheating our oven to 350 degrees. Once we have that going, now we are ready to begin to make our cake batter. Okay, so we're going to begin by sifting 3/4 of a cup of sugar. Okay, to that we're going to add 3 eggs at room temperature and 1 teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice extract. And now we're going to beat it together on medium speed for 2 minutes. Okay, so after 2 minutes, we're going to sift 1 cup of all-purpose flour along with 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 3/4 of a teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 3/4 of a teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice, and a pinch of salt. So just sift it all. To that we're going to add 1 tablespoon of oil and 1 cup of pumpkin puree. We're going to be mixing on low speed until everything is well incorporated. Okay, so once we have that, okay, so just fold it a couple times. Okay, and once we have our cake batter, now we can get ready to transfer it to our baking sheet. Okay, I'm going to begin by greasing my 18 by 13 baking sheet. But if you have a 10 by 15, go ahead and use it. Just make sure that it gets fully greased. I'm just going to be lining it with parchment paper. Okay, and once ready, now we're going to add our cake batter. So now just make sure that you spread it evenly. Okay, so make sure that it's all nice and even. And now we're ready to bake it for about 15 to 18 minutes. Okay, and while we wait, we're going to get our kitchen towel ready. So we're just going to dust a little powdered sugar. Okay, so now we're just going to wait a couple more minutes. Okay, and after 18 minutes, make sure that you check it. So it is fully cooked. Okay, so now we're carefully going to flip it over to our kitchen towel. So just make sure that you're careful. Grab it, flip it over. And carefully we're going to remove the parchment paper. Okay, now we're going to grab the end and begin to roll it. Okay, now we're going to give it about 30 minutes to allow it to cool down. Okay, so after 30 minutes, we're going to make our cream cheese filling. So we're going to add 4 tablespoons of butter, 8 ounces of cream cheese. Make sure that they are at room temperature. So now we're going to begin to mix it. Cheese and butter are nice and smooth. We're going to add 1 cup of powdered sugar. I'm going to be adding a little vanilla extract and pumpkin pie extract. So slowly mix it again. And just mix until everything is well incorporated. Okay, so once our cream cheese is nice and smooth, now we are ready to unroll our cake. Okay, so carefully unroll the cake. Okay, and we're going to begin to spread our filling. So just spread it. And you can add pecans if you like. Just going to keep mine very simple. Once we spread our cream cheese, now we're going to re-roll it again. So just be very careful. Just like that. And now we're going to get our plastic wrap so we can get ready to wrap it. Okay, so carefully grab your cake, transfer it to the plastic wrap. Now we're going to roll it. Make sure that it is tight. Okay, we're going to refrigerate it for at least 1 hour. All right, so I made this cake earlier, so this one has been sitting for a few hours. So now we can get ready to cut into it. And I'm just going to dust more powdered sugar, like that. And you can top it with whipped cream once it's served. So you can cut it, just like that. And of course, you can cut them smaller. Okay. And just like that, we can get ready to enjoy. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now let me tell you guys that I hope you give this recipe a try. It's seriously super easy to make, and the best part is that everybody is going to enjoy. So if there is one dessert that you have to make this coming holidays, it has to be this one right here. So I hope you give it a try and enjoy it just as much. Cheers and enjoy. Seriously, the best. The cake is so moist. It's not too sweet. You could taste the pumpkin. The cream cheese balances it all out. It's perfect. So good. Alrighty guys, and there you have it on how to make a delicious pumpkin roll cake. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if you recreate this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias. And if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.